This is the demonstration video for the DEK Horizon O2i stencil printer. We're going to walk around, show you the exterior, and then we're going to open the two gull wing covers front and back, show you the inside, and then we'll do a operational demonstration with a board. You see the covers are in fantastic shape on this machine. Not always the case with these. This one is in very, very nice shape. I've got the safety covers off. There's clear plastic that'll cover that larger opening when it ships, but for now I have them off. It's the back side. That silver box there with the bottle inside, that's the external solvent tank. DEK mounts that on the outside for safety reasons, and you can get a larger bottle with more solvent so you don't have to fill it as often. Get a shot of the serial tag. This is the operational screen. The DEK Instinctive software they've gone to a touch interface, so all those square buttons or icons are all touch sensitive, so it makes it easier to navigate the software. You can see in the upper right hand corner, this is DEK version 9 Service Pack 9. We're also going to show you the options just so match up with what we discussed. This machine has automatic fiducial setup and deposit verification. That's deposit verification is the post 2D print inspection that goes with the Hawkeye system, and you can see the machine serial number in the upper left of the feature licensing window right there. Matches the machine here, so the license dongle matches the machine software. I'm going to open the covers up, show you the inside. These just lift up. So the inside of the machine is also exceptionally clean. That black and gray module there, that's the pendant for the gridlock tooling for setting it up. It's just positioned there for easy access, can be moved if necessary. Walk around. We'll show you the camera too. This is the Hawkeye 750. This is inside the back of the machine. DEK cover design's nice. It allows you very easy access to all the mechanicals. The two gull wings open far, and then all the side covers slide on rails. So it's very, very easy to get the machine opened up for maintenance and cleaning. All right, we're going to close this cover. I'm going to run some boards to show you that it's operating properly. We're going to leave the front cover open. We're just going to temporarily bypass the safety system. Now, since we opened the cover, the machine wants us to reapply power to the system. That's this blue button in the front here. Light comes on. Once we do that, we get our software screen back. The DEK uses when the camera sweeps, it grabs the board and the stencil in one snapshot. So what you're seeing here is the previous board we ran. It just stored the image, but the board fiducial is on the left and the stencil fiducial is on the right. When we run the machine, we're going to go ahead and enlarge that just so you can see it capture fiducials. As I mentioned before, all these buttons down here are touch icons. Some of these are used when you're running, some of these are used for setup. Well, we'll go through a couple of these when we get done running the machine, but for now we're just gonna push print to start the machine. Puts it in auto cycle, and you'll see in the lower left corner it's waiting for upline transfer. On our SMEMA box, the red light is on, meaning it's calling a board. So we're going to take this board and set it on the rails, and then we're going to give it that SMEMA signal so it calls the board in. So we're going to go back here, we'll push the button. Now when the board comes in, let's enlarge this again. There you can see it grabbed the two sets of fiducials to do its alignment and then brought it up to the stencil. Now the squeegees are going back. Cycle is done, board drops away and comes to the end. Now it's doing a clean cycle right now, where it comes up and gets the cleaner and brings it back, cleans the stencil, and then puts the cleaner away. Alright, we will call this board out. Green light's on, meaning that it has a board. We're going to push this button to simulate the downstream SMEMA signal. We're going to put the board back on its rails. Now this time we're going to watch the board come up to the stencil when it comes in. I'm going to give it the signal. Camera sweeps. Now you'll see the board come up. You can see all the apertures are lined up to the gold pads. Squeegee comes down, sets. This is a completely closed loop squeegee system, so it has constant monitoring of the pressure. So when you set 5 kilograms of pressure, you get 5 kilograms of pressure. Alright, again, we have the board at the end. We're going to call it out. We'll run one more so you can see the clean cycle again. Put this on the rails. We'll watch that fiducial sweep one more time as well. Enlarge this to the whole screen. Okay, the board is on its way in. There's the first set, second set. Now the board has come up, squeegees have come down, and it's printing. Now we'll get a shot of this cleaner again. You can see the board coming down. One more time in the clean cycle. All right, we will call this board out. We'll take a quick look at just a few of the software items. We're going to stop the machine. Programming is quite simple on this machine. You know, you would go to this first icon up here, set up your product, pretty intuitive, and it's just going to walk you through these items on the left over here. Creating a new product, you set up your tooling and board, and it kind of walks you down. You line your fiducials and then you save it. All the entry boxes are touch sensitive as well, so like for board length you would just click on this and it gives you the option to change your board size, and it even gives you some helpful explanations along the way for the various inputs. It's really quite simple. DEK's done a nice job with this, what they call their instinctive software, that makes it quite easy to walk through a setup, what we call a setup cycle, which is basically you create your product with the parameters, and then you run through one cycle to align the fiducials and test it, and then you're ready to go. So that's it for the demonstration of the DEK Horizon 02i. As always, if you have any questions, please give us a call.